Hi, this is Lab7 and I'm going to show you how to open the disk cleaner on Windows 8.1. First log in Windows 8, type in the password, hit on start, right click on start, click search, and then you can type in disk cleanup. And then you will choose free up disk space by deleting unnecessary file. It's gonna run scan for a little bit. After scan, it's gonna show you the disk cleanup for the C volume. Click on cleanup system file. It will scan again. Might take a little bit. After scanning again, it will show you the same disk cleanup for volume C, and then you can hit OK, and then you can click on delete file, and it's gonna clean up your C for the window, and it might take up to 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, and next I'm gonna show you how to schedule the disk cleanup. So at start, you right click, it's search, and you type in clean mgr flash, it's HEA set number 1. Maybe just clean mgr, and you're gonna see clean mgr. Click on that. It's gonna scan a little bit. Click on clean up system file. Scan again. While we're waiting, you can click on Start, Control Panel. So you want to view by small icon, not category, and double click on Administrative Tools. You want to look for the task scheduler. Double click on that. Right, here's the task scheduler. So you want to find a to create a basic task. Click on that. Yeah, the VM is a little bit slow. So for the name, you want to put this cleanup. Okay, no description. Hit on next. You want it to start weekly. Next, recur every once weeks on Monday. Okay, and then we want it to start 15 minutes later, so it's 9:45. We want it to start 10. Yeah. Hit next. Start a program. Hit next. You want to browse, and then you want to file a file name clean mgr.exe. This is the file that we want to file. Click open, and then for the argument we want to add even optional, but we want to add something, so we're gonna put say run 1. Hit next. This is the name. This cleanup, it will be scanning weekly at 10 p.m. every Monday of the week, starting from May 29, 2019. And the start RAM, this is the link for that, and then you can hit finish. Okay, and after that you want to hit on task scheduler library, and then double click on the this cleanup ready at 10 p.m. hit on that, and then right now it say configure for Windows Vista, but this is Windows 8.1, so you want to change it to Windows 8.1 and then hit OK, and then you all set. So next I will show you how to run the disk defragmentation utility. So when you're deleting file, including temporary file, you will cause a situation called disk fragmentation, which can increase the read or the write time on a hard drive, affecting performance. So defragmenting is recommended as a part of a good maintenance plan. So to open the defragmentation in Windows 8, so you can click a star, hit on search, and then at a search bar you want to put defragment, and then when you put defragment, it's gonna show you the defragment and optimize your drive. You want to hit on that, and then you want to click on solid state drive C, and then you want to click turn on, click on run, and then this frequency you want it to weekly, and then hit OK for that. And then so after you set it up, it's gonna line up for the analyze and the optimize. So I think this is the VM, so we cannot do defragmentation here. So but if you have your own laptop or computer, you can click on the C and then click analyze, and it's gonna show you the percent of the defragmentation. And after you analyze it, you can optimize it, and after optimize it, you're done with the defragmentation for your drive. So next I will show you how to creating a system restore point on Windows 8.1. So the system restore function gives the user the ability to return the computer to the previous state, which includes all the system file, install application, system setting, and the Windows registry, it can be beneficial when a system level problem occurs. So you want to open the you want to create a restore point. First you want to go into control panel. You want to view by the small icon, and then click on the system, find the system in here. It's right here. And then you want to click on the system protection. So in here you want to create, click on create, and then at the restore point you can type in background space configuration and hit create. It's gonna create a restore point for you, so wait a little bit. After it's finished, you're gonna see the restore point will create successfully. So you close it. You can close it now, and then we want to create go into personalization, and then you want to make desktop background. This you want to choose the solid color, and then choose whatever color you like. Right, I'm gonna choose the green one. Actually, the blue one is. Yeah, the blue one is good. So you want to zip change. Okay. Then and after that you see the desktop background has been changed color. So we want to restore to the previous state. So so you can close it, go into control panel, go into the same one, just go into system protection, then go into the system properties right here. So you're gonna see the system restore right here. Click on that. After you click on that, you're gonna see the system restore. Hit next, and then right here you will see the restore point that we create like couple minutes ago. Let's say background configuration, and then this is we create manually. So you want to click on next. So it's gonna restore to the point, to that point couple minutes ago, before we change the background color. And then it's finished. It's gonna warn you that once you start the system restore cannot be interrupted, and it's actually you want to continue, and yes you want to, and it's gonna restore to the previous state. It's gonna restoring your computer, so might take a little bit, like 1 or 2 minutes for it to fully restore. Okay, here's after you restore your window, and then you want to log in again. Okay, and then when you log in, you're gonna see the side that says system restore, and the system restore completely successful. And this is has been restored to the May 29, 2019. So this is the restore point that we create before we change the background, and then after the background we want to restore to the point where we create it. So this is good when you create a restore point and then you do something wrong with your computer. You can restore to the previous state.